Azure. So first and most important thing, the requirement would be you will have to actually create an Azure account. Now how are you going to create an Azure account? There are multiple ways you can create an Azure account. One, you can create an Azure free trial account, and the free trial comes with 30 days, $200 subscription. And in this 30 days and $200, you can actually build almost every service. You can almost work with all aspects of Azure without any limitations or without any restriction. Though there are, but those are like achievable. That's not a big deal for learning purpose. So that you can create a free account. If you are a student, you can use your student ID and create a student free account. Microsoft also provides a Microsoft Learn Sandbox, and it is in this particular sandbox you can actually run your PowerShell scripts and perform the actions. And definitely I don't recommend sandbox for learning purpose. You will not get the real feel of what exactly is Azure. Yeah, so probably the first thing we would like to do is see how we can actually create a free account, and then maybe use PowerShell, maybe use Bash, switch to Azure interactive mode, navigate to portal. All these things we would like to do through our sandbox. But where can we find all these labs? Somewhere we should be able to have all these labs available. So what you can do is go to the browser and search for AZ900 labs. Simply search for AZ900 labs and you will see the first one itself, AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. And here you see you have different labs: create a virtual machine, create a web app, display an Azure container instance, and blah blah blah. So many labs are there which will be really handy for you people to learn. Now, if at all you are using credit card, you can go to azure.com and here use the option free account and click on start free. This start free is going to let you to use $200 1 month subscription. You have to continue here. You have to complete your login with a Microsoft account, and then it will also ask you your personal details. Most important, it will ask you for the credit card details, and it will also perform a small transaction. Maybe $1 or a 1 rupee transaction will be performed, which again is reversed. It is only performed to verify that your credit card is valid. And without any worry, you can be assured that after 1 month or even before 1 month, if you have consumed all the $100, your account is automatically disabled and you are not going to get billed extra. But yes, every time you create a new account, you definitely need a new phone number, new email ID, and you need a new credit card. The number cannot be reused. The same card cannot be reused second time. So I have already used all my credit cards for creating the free account, and I strongly feel for something like AZ900 we may not want to use credit card, because those $200 we can use it more constructively when we are probably using a role-based training. When you go for more advanced role-based training tomorrow, you may want to use it. So what I suggest is, there is MicrosoftAzurePass.com. MicrosoftAzurePass.com, that's the website. So what I'll do is in private mode, I'll go to Microsoft Azure pass.com. Now click on start, provide an email ID, but I'll prefer creating a new account for this particular training. A new personal account I would like to create. It says recover your account. No, I don't want to create a new account here. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong link. Here it is. Create one. And we have to give the details. Create an account. Let's say I create Dekensoft August 2022 at outlook.com. That's it. Dekensoft August 2022 at outlook.com. This is going to create a new Microsoft ID. I set a password for myself. And in background, it's creating a new account in outlook.com. Select an animal with wrong head. These are always challenging to me. This particular thing is done to avoid bots trying to register. Microsoft doesn't want bots to register onto the account. So that is the reason. Wow. Select the animal with wrong head. Why? Why should I again do it? That's not quite right. That's what I did. These are the most challenging things in life. I'm just trying to create a new. I have n number of other accounts, but I'm just trying to create a new one. Great. At last it succeeded. Oh, back to square one. Something wrong. Please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. How many times should I solve it? Is it because I'm using... I'll do one thing. Maybe because I'm using incognito in private window, this problem is coming. We can directly do it here itself. Pick a turtle. Yes, incognito was the problem. It was not accepting in private or incognito window. So I go to Microsoft Azure pass.com. From there itself, I created the account. Confirm, very important. Confirm that you're not logged in with your organization ID. Whatever account you have just now created, confirm that. And now you need a promo code. Now the advantage of this particular process is you do not need to have any kind of credit card verification. So when I use this promo code, you can directly activate your account. Now to get this promo code, you'll have to get in touch with our backend team. There is a small nominal fee of, I believe, $4 or $5, and details you can find in the description or in the chat. You have to contact Shubham and he will be able to arrange the promo code for you people in case you want to do the labs using the Microsoft Azure Pass. So now I log in, and it's going to take some time. Yes, you'll have to give your phone number, it's mandatory. Give some organization name. PAN ID is optional. Line 1 is mandatory. Select the state, postal code, agree to the agreement, and that's it. Now, many people do a mistake. After this, they are in hurry and they change the window or they close the window. Now, please don't do that. Let the window pass on to the next screen automatically. As long as this is happening, you don't have to do anything. And don't even try to give your feedback. Just stay, it's okay. Many times I have seen people trying to give feedback and they mess up. I closed it. Now let it go on in the background. After this is completed, it will automatically redirect me to Azure portal. And in the meantime, we can continue with our session.